Dear friends, today, scholars, the system. You need to go to the .com website. This is the third step. Log in with your Gmail account. If you don't know how to log in, I've made a video on it. You'll find the link in the description. Once that's done, click on your profile. This is step number 6. Here, you can customize your link. And you can forward it to your friends. For the last step, click on Schools. Here, copy the link and share it with your friends. Here, I'll turn on incognito mode to show you. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. And be sure to share this video with your friends.